How to fix CapCut Creator Business Mode not showing. First, make sure you're using the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store in this case and search for CapCut. After that, click on CapCut and update the app if the update button appears. Second, sign into your CapCut account. So let's open CapCut. Let's sign in. Let's continue. Now we signed in because some creator features won't appear if you're signed out or using a different account than the one that's eligible. Step 3. Check whether the feature is available in your region. Business Creator Mode is not always available in every country or for every account. CapCut enables creator tools gradually and may restrict them by region. If the feature isn't supported where you are, it won't appear if your app is up to date. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Now this is what you can do on Android. You go to Settings, App, CapCut Storage, and then Clear Cache. But on iPhone, you just have to deinstall the app, like that, and then reinstall it once again. Now step 6. Apply to the Creator program if available. If the Creator Center appears, open Profile, tap Creator Center, and complete the application if prompted. Some business creator features only become available after your account has been accepted into CapCut's creator program. Availability varies by region and account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.